Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Codersarts. So in this series of episode, we showcase the projects, and this type of project is going to very helpful for either you are developer. So for a developer, it might be very helpful as a called as a proof of concept, or in short POC, or even you are working on MVP, that is called minimum viable product. So this type of things is going to, or this type of project is going to very helpful. Even you are a student or even a developer and want to build your career in AI domain, and you are working as a you want to add some value to your resume, and even you want to work as a your final year project, maybe your computer science student. So this type of project is going to very helpful, and it will also there will be lots of learning in this type of video. Okay, so I hope you are watching all these our series of this video. Okay, so make sure to stay tuned until the end to get the complete understanding of this type of video, or even the in today video. So one of our team member Pratibha, so she will explain about this video and how this video is going to be helpful for you, and even to get some knowledge how this type of AIML things are working. Okay, so you will get the complete understanding of this video. Okay, so I'm inviting Pratibha, so she will explain everything about this project. Okay, so hi Pratibha, now you can start explanation about this project.
Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to showcase a tool that we have developed that is
Hmm.
called text annotation.
Hmm.
And basically, it is a tool which will read the text from the invoices and bills
Hmm.
and print it out for you in a
Hmm.
digitized format.
Hmm.
Okay, so it will recognize different aspects of the text like
Hmm.
word, paragraph, blocks, symbols,
Hmm.
and so
Hmm.
on.
Hmm.
So basically this is an efficient tool that will automatically identify all these parts of the text for you, which will help you to streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. So I think bills are generated everywhere, and mostly, if I'm to only talk about India, lot of the bills are made on papers by hand. So, like if you are somebody who is looking to digitize everything or to shift to a digital platform instead of just writing everything down, and like so much of manual labor is involved in
Hmm.
like checking out the invoice yourself and then typing it out. So this functionality here, this app, basically you just need to upload your invoice and it will directly print out every content which is already present on the invoice's image into a text format, okay, into a text file for you. So this is the use of this application, and I'm just going to show it to you how it's going to work. So let me just share my screen.
Hmm.
Again, this demo has been developed using Flask framework.
Hmm.
So this is the interface of the application. The users have the option to choose a file. I'll just, okay, it's not this one. Wait. Okay, so for example, this is the bill. We upload the bill, and
Hmm.
you can see that different kind of texts are being visualized in here. Blue basically color represents the block of text, then
Hmm.
red represents the paragraph that it identifies, and yellow represents the words, as you can see here.
Hmm.
So everything here is being recognized automatically by AI.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is the original bill image here,
Hmm.
and here it has read everything, and you can also download the annotations. You can see here
Hmm.
that a proper annotation is being passed here along with the like page property, width, height, and the vertices of the blocks. Basically these vertices are being used to draw these kind of boxes that you can see in here in the image. Okay, Then you can see that for paragraphs also the bounding box is there, for words it is also there. So this is a proper annotation of this image. So once you have this kind of annotation of images, it is very easy to just choose to work with any particular part of the text. Like if you're only interested in dealing with paragraph, just take out the portion for the paragraph, or just just refer to that. Or if you just want it to read at text level, so you can do that as well. So basically here, this is a dense bill. You can see here that although it is computer generated, but still it is printed out on paper and it is only an image of that bill. It could be handwritten as well, and even then it will identify this kind of text for you. We have already seen in, I think, form parsers implementation. Although this is not document AI, this is a vision AI that we are using in here. But you can see that dense documents, basically dense documents are those documents which are images of documents. Like for example, a PDF file is different from an image in PDF format, right? So this is how a dense file is different from computer generated this kind of invoice. So let's say you got an invoice in this format and you only have an image, so you can just pass it to the annotation generator. Either you can just choose to only print out its text, or you can just choose to get all of the annotations as we just saw in here. Okay, here everything is there till the end, you can see that. And in the end you have the entire text as well, starting from invoice and like thank you, have a nice day, everything is being read in here. So this is the usefulness of this particular app. We can choose to look at any other image of bill, just to show that it is not just hard coded for this image only. So here also the same thing is happening. You can see that in different parts of the text are being identified in here. Like it's just not only identifying, only performing OCR, but you can see that it is having some intelligence in it, that it is able to identify paragraph, differentiate paragraph from a word, a block from a paragraph. So all this functionality is present in here.
Yeah, so basically detecting from the bill and the displaying, saving in some text file, right? We are doing this one.
Yes, yes.
Okay, if we want to display those information in some particular format, even we can do that.
Yes,
But that
yes, definitely.
okay,
And
fine.
even one more thing that I like to mention is that okay, like in businesses and wherever bills are being generated and being stored, it can be used. But this kind of app can also be used to annotate the images for NLP cases as well. Where we are trying to train the models, but we feel that our data has not been annotated, like we don't have enough annotated data. So in that cases also we can make use of this functionality. Now here we are just passing in one image, but there is a functionality that is provided by vision AI, where we can pass in images in batches. Okay, so a large amount of image together can be passed, and we can generate annotations for this, so that you can train your own model with your data that you have created. So this is also one of the major use for this, because I, being from ML background, I know that like annotated data, like getting annotated data is very important, and it is not so freely and easily available. So people have to put in a lot of time to annotate their own data. But using this kind of service, we can you can see that it didn't even take much time for this image. So in batch processing also, it is not going to take as much time as it is going to take to do it manually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I think most technical part you have already discussed, or I
Hmm.
think the same thing. I think we are using Vision AI. So based on this Vision AI, you can perform this type of things. Or even
Yeah.
the most important use cases is for digitization. Digitization. You
Yes.
want to perform this
Yes.
thing. So or just Yeah, for saving purpose, or based on this is not only
Yes.
properly formatted bill, but that is maybe, but any type of invoices or something like that
Mhm.
that helps
Yes.
useful for you, you can use those information, and that information you can use for any business decisions you want to perform, or just for
Yes. Yes.
compliances or anything. Okay. Okay, fine. So I think that's all, everyone, for this video. I think you might have following the Vision AI, Google Vision AI video series, that might be four or five
Yes.
video series, and you will. I just recommending, please watch all this video, four or five. No, even you can
Yeah.
see the whole series, but I'm just talking about if you want to complete understanding of Vision AI, what are the most on-demand
Yes.
use cases we have discussed. There might be endless use cases. Okay, so there is no any limit based on your needs. So, but we will just try to mention what are the on demand, and what are the going to useful in the current, even the in real life, what are things are going to be
Yes.
more useful.
Yes.
Okay. So anything you have for us, like either might be some suggestions or might be some idea maybe how this type of project is going to helpful for you, or maybe if even you have some other things, you can comment down below. We will try to answer your query and think if this is helpful. So also maybe in coming video we'll sort out about these things. Okay. So the same thing again I'm talking about. So either maybe any person you want to build this type of app, so you can also contact us, maybe either business owner or developer, whoever want to know how these things are working. Okay, so maybe somehow you're stuck, or maybe you are building your first MVP or proof of concept you're working, or even if you're a student, you want to stand out from your classes, even you are from we are building some real life projects, so that is going to give you some real scenario how things are working. Okay, so that's also very useful, insightful information on this video. Okay, so that's all, everyone. So let's meet in another one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and thank you for watching. If you have also, please do like and subscribe if this type of video is going to helpful for you.